Provision relevant for accounting. Interest on drawings. The interest will not be charged on the drawings by the partners unless mentioned in the deed. Interest on advances. If any partner has lent the money to the business other than capital invested, then the partner can get interest on the amount at the rate of 6% per annum. Remuneration of firm's work. The partner cannot charge any salary for the work done in business unless it is mentioned in the deed. Indian Partnership Act specifies that if any partner receives any profit for himself from any business transaction or by using any business property, then he is accountable to pay it to the firm. If any partner carries any business other than a partnership firm, but is of the same nature and competing with the firm, then he should pay all profits to the firm. Special aspects of partnership accounts. In the accounting term, we treat the partnership firm similar to the sole proprietorship business with the following
Exceptions.
maintenance of partners' capital accounts, distribution of profit and loss amongst the partners, adjustment for the wrong appropriation of profits in the past, reconstitution of the partnership firm, dissolution of the partnership firm, maintenance of capital accounts of partners. All transactions that are related to the partners are recorded through their capital accounts. These transactions include amount invested as capital, profits, partners' salary, interest on capital, and interest on drawings, etc. There are two methods to maintain the capital accounts of the partners.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.